Hi everyone, this is Olga from hberry.com. In this video I will show you how to use a free arm on a sewing machine. You probably know the basics, but I have something to show you that you have never seen before, I promise. So, first let me show you the basic use of the free arm. The term free arm simply refers to a specific part of a home sewing machine. Many sewing machines have a removable accessory tray where you can keep your bobbins and other essential sewing items. If you remove that, you expose the free arm. This is the free arm, a narrow part of the machine with an open gap underneath. The free arm's purpose is meant for working with tubes of fabric such as sleeves, pants, because you can slide those items over the free arm to sew. It allows you to work on sections of your sewing project without bunching up the fabric and without accidentally sewing them shut. For the record, if your machine doesn't have a free arm, and almost all modern machines do, you can still do some of those projects, but the free arm makes them much easier. So, slide the tubular piece of fabric that you want to sew onto the free arm. Make sure the fabric fits correctly and there are no folds or wrinkles. Start sewing, guiding the fabric so it moves around the free arm. This is the most common use of the sewing machine free arm. But now I would like to show you something different that you probably have never seen before. I'm going to use my Brother Luminaire machine. It has a free arm and I want to show you how to use it sometimes, how I use it sometimes. So, it's very common for the blouses and pants to have rolled tabs. You know what I mean. I have many blouses with rolled tab sleeves, like you see in this image. This design detail helps to make one of the most flattering sleeve lengths, I think. First of all, I like to make these tabs with my embroidery machine. It's so much easier and faster. It's not so easy to make this shape with a regular sewing machine. The free design files to make the tab with an embroidery machine are in my resource library. If you are a subscriber to my newsletter, you can get them free. The design is good for any embroidery machine that has a hoop 6 by 9 inches. How am I attaching these tabs? Let me show you. That's where I absolutely need the free arm. First, decide where you want to attach this tab. Pin it to the sleeve and make marks. I'm using a friction pen. The marks disappear after I iron over them with a hot iron. Insert the sleeve into the free arm. I'm just using a tubular piece of fabric, not the real sleeve. Now I will make the first stitch. It's going sideways to the right. I don't want to sew fast, so I put the speed to minimum. I set the needle in the fabric at the starting point in the left corner and I sew the seam. You see that the fabric is moving sideways. Do you have this kind of stitches? Guide the fabric by hand to keep sewing straight. Select the next stitch and sew. This one is easy, just a regular straight stitch. The next step, going sideways to the left. And now I will set the machine to go backwards. The lines that I marked are very helpful. You see that the fabric feeds forward while the machine is stitching backward. The seam is connected to the starting point now, but I want to put 2 more diagonal seams. This one is going to the right. Another one is going to the left. Okay, the tab is attached now, and for this kind of sewing I absolutely need the free arm. Without the free arm it's not even possible. Here we put a button and the sleeve will be done. Thank you so much for joining me on this sewing tutorial, and I invite you to subscribe and take a look around at some of the other tutorials on my channel that might be useful to you. Please share this video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you again next week. Happy sewing!